before we jump in, let's meet our main heroes. Say hello to red, blue, and yellow. These three are like the kings and queens of the color world. You can't make them by mixing anything else. But guess what? When you start mixing together, that's when things get really interesting. So here's how the game works. I'll ask, what happens when, and mix two colors together. You get to guess what new color shows up. Ready to play? Let's do this. First question. What happens when red and yellow mix together? Think. If you said orange, you're absolutely right. Red brings the heat, yellow brings the sunshine, and together, boom, you get a bright, juicy orange. Perfect for painting oranges, sunsets, and even foxes. Next round. What happens when blue jumps into yellow? Swirl them together and it's green. Green is everywhere in nature. Trees, leaves, grass. Mixing these two gives you that fresh, lively color. Okay, last of our main mixes. What if red shakes hands with blue? Swish, swish. You get purple. Purple is royal, mysterious, and super cool. I love using it to paint grapes, lavender, or even magical creatures. And now, look at our artist's palette. Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and purple. All dancing together. That's some serious teamwork. But wait, here comes the ultimate experiment. What happens if I mix the colors together? Let's see. Swirl, mix, splat. Whoa, it's turning brown. Yep, when you mix everything, they cancel each other out and you get a muddy neutral brown. Science is so wild, no? Here's a bonus fact. Mixing colors with paint is totally different from mixing colors with light. Paint mixing is called, the more you add, the darker it gets. But with light, the more you mix, the brighter it gets. And you end up with white light. Pretty mind-blowing, right? So, how did you do? Let's recap. Red plus yellow makes orange, blue plus yellow makes green, red plus blue makes purple, and all together, brown. If you guessed them all, you're officially a thanks for playing. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your most colorful friends. And remember, the world is full of colors, you just have to mix it up. See you next time.
On this video, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share on this video your family, friends, and other WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.